In an unusual turn of events, it's Wednesday early afternoon and I'm out in the shop. One guy commented, "Shop is a dump." By the way, he doesn't have any videos or have any pictures of his shop. But I guess that's the way of it. I'm going to go outside and show you something those of us in North Carolina rarely ever see. Yep. It's been snowing. Look at that. It's ankle deep. Folks, this is a calamity. But I shall persevere. Alright, I'm going to get to work on this four-wheeler. I got to get this thing out of here. I got more parts in the mail. Got my little intake boot. Got the intake, the air filter. I need to work on this carburetor. And a host of other stuff, and maybe clean off the messiest workbench in all of YouTube. Of course, somebody did comment that One Lonely Farmer's workbench was even messier than mine. That's hard to believe, but I suppose it's possible. Well, I've been fighting with this idle mixture screw and I can't seem to get the thing out. I put the carb in a pipe in the drill press vise. Put a bit in the press, pushed down, turned it. All I did was take the head of the screw off. And then I drilled into it. I've been using an easy out, stripping the brass out. I've heated this. I'm going to have to put my thinking cap on because this one's a challenge. But I did get the other hole drilled and tapped in the head on the four-wheeler. So if I had some quarter 28 bolts around here somewhere, I could put the exhaust together. But I can't seem to find none of those. And since it snowed, everything's closed. Everything. Except my garage. And your jacket. Yeah. Well, I made a decision. I put some PB Blaster or something in there. I'm going to let it soak a while. I'm going to tap it every once in a while. And I'm not going to get in a big hurry. And I'm going to hope to get that screw out. And if I don't, I'm going to have to go to plan. I forgot what letter it is now. But while I'm doing all that, I'm going to make some fine quarter-inch fine thread studs. And how I'm going to do that is cut the coarse threads off and then get a die. I think I got one. And cut some new threads on. This will stay in the vise so I can do it easy. And when I'm done, I'll cut that off. That's my plan. But first, I got to go make some yellow snow. See there? I did have a die the correct size. And that'll do. Now we'll just run this back off. You want to do that, bud?
What is this?
We're cutting new threads. Alright, that part is done. Well, at least the studs are in and it's holding the exhaust pipe. Now to see how to make the rest of it fit. There's something you don't see every day, huh? We've just been informed by Mama that we must go in and eat. And it's chili. Chili is always good when it's snowing. Well, it's chili outside and we're going to eat chili. One's with an I, one's with a Y. I got the exhaust put there, but I don't think that's just right. But I'm not going to fool with it no more. I'm hungry. I suppose the young man here doesn't remember the days when he used to have intercoms between the house and the garage. You push the button and then you talk that way. Now we do it via text or telephone. You want to ring the bell?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Got anything to say?
How about I just ring the bell again?
Okay. If you like these videos, please hit the like button. It really helps us out. And subscribe too. You might like what you see. Or if you don't subscribe. And don't forget to check out MrHeavyChevy.com, where you can buy t-shirts that say, "Who the heck is Mr. Heavy Chevy?" and other stuff. Like this. If I ever finish that, you can buy that. Okay, let's go eat.